Doctor saved lives and training for it for many years. But are they training or preparing for their retirement planning for the future? Many doctors make a critical mistake and just trusting their employment retirement plan like 403b or 401k. And this gonna be not enough for their retirement plan. In this special introductional series, we will tell you all the things that doctors making mistakes in their financial planning. And we will give you a sneak peek of our three-part series video about retirement and how can be used by doctors, especially to build their wealth, saving taxes, and build their financial future. Oh, if you're thinking about we just gonna throw some money or some of your income in a basic retirement planning, no, there's a lot of good more ways to do retirement planning, especially for doctors. And stick around in the end of the video and we will give you a roadmap on what to expect on the upcoming series for retirement for doctors. Let's address the elephant in the room. Let's be clear. Doctors don't retire as like anyone else, and this is why. Late start. Most physicians don't start earning serious money until their 30s or later. Meanwhile, your non-medical peers have already been stacking up their 401k for years. Massive student debt. The average medical student carries 250,000 plus in student loan. That is like starting a game of Monopoly but owing the bank half of the board. High tax. Earning more means paying more. But are you optimizing your tax strategy to keep more money of what you make? This factor puts you in a disadvantage. But don't worry, there's a lot of tax strategy and different way that we can help you understand how to prepare for your retirement. But before that good news, I just want to remind you if you are a doctor or you know a doctor who needs to know and listen to this video, please like the video and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will not gonna miss our three-part series. Trust me, there's a lot of things that you can learn so that you can have more great time in retirement while you done with your practice. And don't forget to put in the comment section what is your biggest concern about your retirement? Taxes? Investing? Running out of money? Put it in the comment section and let's talk about it. Three common mistakes that doctors do when they're planning for their retirement. First mistake, relying solely on the 401k or 403b account. Reality check. This account have contribution limit, 23,000 per year in 2024 based on the IRS website. If you're making 300k or plus, that's not enough to sustain your lifestyle in retirement. Solution: in our full series, we will talk about backdoor Roth IRA, defined benefit plans, and tax-efficient investment to help you to save on your taxes and save more money that you earn. Second mistake, ignoring tax strategy. High net worth earning doctors pay up to 37% in federal taxes, according to the IRS. But smart tax planning, like cash balance plans and asset allocation strategy, can help doctors keep more of the income. Cures Finance specializes in helping doctors reduce taxes legally. Third, no diversifying outside of retirement account. Many physicians think maximizing out a 401k is enough. It is not. The smart doctor invests in real estate and different private investment and cash flow asset to secure financial independence. And this is just a beginning. In our three-part series video, we will deep dive on different kinds of things that we can use so that we can maximize your retirement planning. Part 1. Maximizing your 401k, 403b, and other employer plan. Pros and cons for doctor. Part 2. What are the wealthiest doctor do differently? Advanced tax planning and investment strategy. Part 3. Beyond retirement account. How physicians can build wealth. If you want to retire comfortably and not to work until you're 70, make sure to watch this video series that we are putting together. Because remember, if it's your right, use it. Plan smart, save more, and take control of your financial future.